Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to Mini-Me short and crisp videos. Today we're going to make carrot halwa. Making this halwa is very easy. But first, take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. To that, you can add almonds, cashew nuts, raisin, pista, whatever nuts you want. Slowly, in a low flame, fry them till they are slightly colored. Remove it in another plate. In the same ghee, we're going to add grated carrot. Regular carrots are available in the market, but the red carrots, which are very popular, are available in winters, even in Hyderabad, but they are abundantly available and we call them Delhi carrots. So that Gajar, a lot of people love to use for making carrot halwa, but any carrots you can use as long as they are nice and tender. Slowly saute them in the ghee. Cook it for 2-3 minutes and add milk. 200 grams of carrot, I'm taking around 500 ml of milk. Cook slowly till you will be seeing how the consistency is changing. And once it comes to a certain consistency where you will see it is nice, most of the milk is evaporating, add 100 grams of sugar. The shine will start appearing after cooking like this for another 5-7 minutes. Usually a good carrot halwa takes easily more than half an hour. In this, you can add cardamom powder and finish it off. But in the hotels, somehow I learned we add some grated Khoya. And do not cook it any further. Just mix it and slightly let it cook in its own heat and switch it off. When you serve the carrot halwa, it should not be pouring consistency like kheer. If you lift it up, it has to form a little mountain. So it should be nice. When it is hot, it has to be soft and nice. So you have to make it like this. You have seen, there is no rocket science in cooking carrot halwa, but if you want it this good, follow the simple and easy process. Make it and you have seen how I added the almonds. When this is almost done, they should have still the crunch, the fried crunch. They should not become soft. Then it's all done. So dear friends, make it. Very easy, very simple, but perfect carrot halwa. Wheat flour halwa I really enjoyed at Vaishnavi Devi temple, and I'm going to show you this very simple halwa which I really like. So first, take a pan, add ghee. To this, add the wheat flour. You have to cook till the raw flavor is gone, and while doing so, the wheat flour also get nice color. Now you can add some sugar. You want some strength to it, sprinkle a little bit of water. So mix it well, cook it on a slow flame for another 7 to 8 minutes. And in another pan, add some ghee, add nuts like cashew nut, almond, raisins, whatever you want. Slightly fry them and add to this halwa. Add cardamom powder, mix all of this well, switch off the flame. You can serve it as a prasadam. Sometimes I even enjoy it with chapatis early in the morning for breakfast. This wheat flour halwa is again favorite of my mom. And this with every bite is so heavenly. The ghee aroma, and my God, look in my eyes and see how happy I am. Wow, nice, hot and wonderful. I love to eat this even with puri and chapati. Make it, eat it and keep saying whatever.